I like your rings.
Thank you.
What's your favorite one? Ring the bell. Gently, gently. Again. Nothing of sleep, nothing. It's gone. Anyway, slowly, look at my hand. Slowly, I close my hand.
Oh my God,
Wave,
it's gonna come back, it's gonna come back.
wave the bell of Mr. Gently, and it's gonna come back. Check it out. Oh, wait, wait. You know why the bell rings?
Why?
Because there's a ring in the bell. But you know why the bell rings?
Why?
Because inside the bell there is a ring. Hello guys, I'm Reynold Alexander, and ringing the bell is one of the best methods I've ever found to cause a borrowed finger ring to appear at an impossible location. It is fast, direct, memorable, visual, and very easy to do. Here's what happens. You ask to borrow a spectator finger ring. You cause the ring to vanish. Then you take a bell that has been sitting on the table the whole time. You ring the bell in order to cause the ring to reappear, but it doesn't reappear. You ring it again, it doesn't come back. You ring it one more time, it doesn't come back. Then the spectator finds his ring between the clapper of the bell.
Ring the bell, I get it.
Ringing the bell is very easy to do. If you can ring a bell, you can do it.